Well, we're out again, guys. Spur of the moment trip. Just Joshy boy and me today.
Good morning, I shall say.
So yeah, we're going to walk to the spot now. Bring it back when we get there, guys. Well, we're at the spot, guys. Give it a little scan about. This is where we are, Joshy bit. It's usually like a shithole down here, guys, but it's quite clean. There's a bit of rubbish up against the wall we'll pick up later. That's about it. This is a lovely Swansea Bay. I don't know what it is. And this is the harbour side, guys. Let's go West Pier, Swansea. Just met a nice chap down there. He watches our videos, guys. Subscribed as well. Nice to meet you, buddy. Good luck. Yeah, we're a couple of hours from high water. Like I said, it was a spur of the moment thing, so we couldn't get right to the top because there's a load of anglers up there. So we're gonna try our luck there and go home for a Sunday dinner. Nice. Joshy going for the first chuck. Did I go over me, Ian?
No,
that's fucking unusual. The traps are set, guys. One each on this side. Gonna get another one set up and fish out the wall. Two pilot boats coming in. Big ship to follow. A bit of sunbeam in your eyes. There's a lifeboat there as well. There's another lifeboat in the marina as well, isn't there? Look at the swell. Bloody hell. Some movement in the water. It's the big ship that the pilot was bringing in. Wonder what he's carrying. Beast of a boat. Slowly does it. Going into that tiny little entrance over there. Fair play to them. Oh yes. I know, right? Might be. Right, let's get back to fishing. Got enough sightseeing now, Josh. Come on, get on your rods. There he goes, through the little tiny gap. Pilot waiting to follow him in. The sailing yacht coming out there. Cool.
No, I wouldn't mind a catch dogfish.
No, not me. Well, Josh just had a text off Webby. He might turn up in a bit. He's down a caravan, which is not far away from here, so he might pop in on the way home. And Morgan, I don't know where Morgan is. Where's Wally? We haven't seen him for a while.
He'll be with us.
So, come on, Morg. Get up in the mornings. See you on the next trip. Well, first bit of action. A little rattle on Josh's rod.
Oh, squid. Got squid and bluey today, guys.
And that's all we got.
Left over from the last section. 3 sections today, apart from pectorals.
Yep. Guess what we haven't got, Josh?
Pork pies.
Oh man. Still there. Nah, no pork pies today. He got plenty of other grub, but don't you worry about that.
Cheese and ham sandwich from the one stop shop.
What else? Crisps. Chocolate. Pepperonis.
That's how big that is.
The pepperonis will be after now, if we run out. Come on. I'll bring you back in 5. We scout to the water conditions this side of the wall. Nice little rip. Looks very fishy. Nice bit of colour in the water. Quite clear. I don't know if you can see Mumble's lighthouse out there on the end. The middle island and the pier. The building next door to the pier burnt down the other day. So I think that's why the lifeboats are in the marina. The old Cinderella's nightclub, yeah. And the Copperfish restaurant next door as well, apparently, but we don't know about that. Stunning restaurant. Come on, the fishies. There's 11 anglers up there to the left of us. 2 down by there. I don't think there's been a fish caught yet. I haven't heard anybody cheering. I'll be dancing on the fucking spot now if I catch one.
For a dogfish.
For a dogfish, yeah, I would. Joshy boy on the feathers. I'll show you the water this side, guys. You'll be blinded by the sun. Well, already did. Yeah, trying all angles. Some shout outs today, guys. Dylan. Nice one, Dylan, from all the comments and that. Good stuff. That's Frugal Outdoors. Leighton Groves, he always gives a comment, fair play. Motors Nuts. Andrew Jones. Shane, Jimmy.
Vern.
Oh, Big Buddy Vern. Gareth. Riverside with me. Billy Fishing, what a legend.
One and only Michael Bond.
Michael Bondy boy. Luggy, Scott Harris. I'm trying to think who uses comments all day. Mine's gone blank. Chris Cruz. I think that's how you pronounce his last name. Well, if I think of any more in a minute, I'll give you a shout out. Cheers, guys, for all the comments, all the views, and the thumbs up. Happy days. Well, I'd never forget to mention Hoyley Boy and Nick. Right Touch of Fishing. Who else did I just remember? Oh, Lloydie. Lloydie's Fishing UK. Or Can't Fish UK. Georgie boy still trying there. Well, the bait's coming back stripped, guys. The scale is done. It's getting back in. Couple of anglers turned up on the beach down by there, guys. Still nothing to report. It's bloody lovely blue sky down there. We've got a lot coming towards us. And the last thing me and Josh said before we left the house was, shall we grab a jacket? But guess what? We didn't. Oh well. Little fishing boat going out. Oh, somebody I forgot to. Tim and Ed, boat fishing South Wales. How the bloody hell did I forget you too? This is where they keep their boat, guys. Where they fish from. Yeah, boat fishing South Wales, guys. Get on that if you haven't seen it. They haven't been about for a while, but I'm sure they'll be back soon. Joshy boy got 2 rods over this harbour side now. Yeah, another one I forgot, silly Billy. I'm going to have to write you all down next time. Stop me looking like a dickhead. Somerset Beach Fishing Tony and Lou. Sorry buddy, you know I love you. See you soon. Well, we haven't done the old coffee trick in a while, have we? Nah, didn't work. Joshy old boy over there. Bluey and baited feathers. I got a full squid out this side. Get murdered by crabs. So we're baiting up every 15-20 minutes. Quickly running out of bait. Baits as always, guys, of our buddy Tony.
Yeah, buddy, right?
Quite mine there. Yeah. Bloody Scott RS. Well, look who's turned up, guys. The one and only Web Dog's arrived.
Hey, what's happening, guys?
Who's that, Mo?
Oh, Willow.
Willow.
The naughty one.
We got Mrs. Web Dog as well with us, guys.
Hi.
Say hello. And little Jakey boy. Say hiya, Jake. Don't be shy. Oh, you got a rod with him, have you?
Yeah.
Happy
Leave that
days.
behind.
Come back to you guys.
You might have a
Oh,
cold
Jakey
sore.
boy over there waving at the lifeboat, guys.
He's waving in
He's
there.
waving back, look.
See?
Hey.
They go and rescue all the people who need help.
Do an awesome job, guys. Support them if you can. Fair play.
Yeah.
Still no bloody fishies. Webby's going to set the rod up now and get it cracking. You better not catch. Webby got a rod in the water now, guys.
No, what did I say?
Willow, be a good girl. Jakey boy, but they're not behaving.
Yeah, you watch, boy.
Man on the telly will give you a row after. Come on, the fishies. I don't know if you can see a paraglider up there. Another one behind us. Yeah. Still no fishies. Still early days. We're an hour away from high tide there now. Fingers crossed. Yeah. We got Jakey boy here. aka Jakey Webb, new member of Casters Fishing Wales. Come on, Jakey boy, get a mackerel in for us.
Yeah, Web Dog.
Yeah, Web Dog Junior.
Go on, boy.
Come on, buddy, a bit more to go. Nearly here.
Look, there they are.
Yeah, stop now. Hey, good boy. Well, first fish goes to the man in the green hoodie. I think he got a little pout in, or a little white in. Looks like a white in. You know what? Lucky git. Still bugger all for us. Josh boy dreaming of the big one.
Oh, look out.
Small trawler going out there, guys. Big nets on the back. I know. Looks like he's a sole trader. No, only one fella on it. Dangerous job on your own. Couple of sailing yachts. There's still no bloody fish. Well, a fella down there just had 3 mackerel, so with a bit of luck, they'll come our way. But otherwise, there's been bugger all happening. Well, Web Dog's going to make a move now, guys. Say bye, Web.
See you later, folks.
See you, young Web Dog Junior.
Say bye.
Off home, we got things to do.
Nice.
Right, see you all later. Me and Josh are going to give her another hour or two. See how it goes. Was that a bite? Was he gone camera shy? No, it don't look like it's bugger all happening for us today, guys. One of them days again. Conditions look bloody lovely. Give it another half hour. Tide is ripping out now. Won't take long to fly past us. Joshy boy down there faffing about. Just done a bit of litter picking. A few rig packets and that. A few tins of pop. So come on, last class action. Joshy boy head into the bin. That's where it goes. Well, that's us done, guys. Back in the truck, in the van I mean. On this one. Nothing for us today. Bugger all. A few mackerel come out either side of us. I think it was a pouting or whiting one one guy had. But other than that, it was a nice day to get out, guys. Wet a few lines. Nice Sunday morning out. As always, we haven't left a trace of evidence of us being here. And a few others have done the same because it's usually like a shithole down there, but it's been cleaned up, so happy days for that. So, until the next adventure, guys. See you later.
See you later.